Hello everyone, we're at Meguiar's HQ. We're here for a day in the bay with the Hearse. We've given her a full detail and she's in the new white room. Good song. I broke the Meguiar's tap. It's a logistical nightmare.
Today we're using Milfis Premium 200 at Meguiar's. We're just going to give a quick wash down, and then Grant's going to give us some tips and tricks on cleaning and maintaining good paintwork, and seeing if the chrome livery actually does anything. Or it doesn't look too bad. No, it doesn't look bad. Yet.
I want to do it. Amazing. That's it, we're done. Gonna give it a little snow foam special right now. I don't know what to say, I'm just gonna roll. Just observing.
You don't just observing. You don't have to say anything.
The thing is, if we were doing this on a sunny day, this would be dry before you even get to the other side. Not the merch. This is sacrilege. Sorry. We're just looking at the snow foam. I just asked where it's like getting all clumpy and that. Is that where it's gripping onto the dirt?
Yeah, it's where it's found clumps of dirt. It's part of the like extreme cling part of it. When you don't wash it off, you might not even see it. It will leave like a filmy haze underneath the initial film of snow foam. This is what I meant.
Oh, right, okay, so that's all...
That's where it's like in the dirt.
Okay. Get a close-up of there, please. And this is the clean side, supposedly. Just giving it a little rinse now. Mad surface area. I've been glizzied on, gang. My personal stylist is with me. Well, yeah.
All in your hair, bro.
It's clean, I guess. It's not dandruff.
We're going to contact wash it because one side of the car was washed at the show and the other one wasn't. Professional detailing. We're just going to use gold class, 2 buckets, a grit guard in 1 bucket. We don't really need it in the other one because we should have dislodged everything. Other than that, it's simple. Just wipe it over and make sure you get every spot.
Awesome. This is usually Josh's job. You know, like the Undertaker's always wash, keep on top of it. We've given up now. Grant's tired, bless him. He planned a full event on Saturday, and here we are, just making it watch the Hearse. Thumbnail, I broke the Meguiar's tap. I'm getting sued.
I'm sorry.
The hearse has been washed and she is now heading inside for her day in the bay. Just trying to beat the rain, so we're at a bit of a rush now because it's probably going to piss it down any second.
The Meguiar's HQ's had a bit of an overhaul recently, so we're going to see if this fits in the new bay. And then we've got some really juicy lighting bays to take pictures in, which should be fun. She's loud. Stick one. Now this is going to be fun to see whether the Hearse fits in the new bay. It's left hand down, son, all the way. You good? Right. Keep her going. Keep her going. It's a logistical nightmare. Oh, look at that. You know, you've done this before. Right. It actually goes in. That is crazy. No way. That is a... That's a photo, that. Okay, now we're giving it a clay bar. Removing all the contaminants. Have you got an example of how filthy? Oh. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's horrendous. So why do we have to do a clay bar, Grant?
Because if you were to machine the panel and you don't clay it, it's going to push all of that grimy stuff into your paint. It'll dirty the surface, basically.
Wow. We're just admiring the Nilfisk range right now. There's so many.
Cleaned the Hearse down a tree outside with it, didn't we?
Yeah, it was lovely. Great to work with. We've actually been given one of these lovely units. We've had a quick hands-on with this. It's lovely to use. We've got a video of that coming up soon. And then we may have a little something for you viewers at home.
Talk us through the next step, Grant. What are we holding in our hands? What's the plan of attack?
So I've got our MT320 machine polisher. This one's well used. I've got a yellow pad on it and I've got Ultimate Compound on it. It looks like it's got a lot of water marking in the paint and there's a lot messing up the surface, but I don't think it will be too hard to get it out.
Okay.
So I'm going to give it a quick blast just in a small area just to see how it comes up, and then if it needs more, we'll give it more. Simple as that.
Awesome. Let's give it a go.
Now I've been given the DA and I'm probably going to fuck up the paint. Let's go. Oh shit, is he one-handing that right now?
So we're using a 3-in-1 that Meguiar's produced. Because of the vinyl stickers, we risk damaging or lifting up the very poorly applicated design. So we're going for a less harsh 3-in-1 that sort of polishes, fills and waxes all in one, which is what you kind of use as an intermediate solution in between your heavy cutting sessions, I think. So we're going to give the full Hearse this treatment, which should hopefully get rid of most of the swirls and etching from rain and stuff.
It's 18 feet long. We're worried about how long it's going to take to DA it with just Grant. I'm working back to front. We'll meet somewhere in the middle.
So Grant, can you go a bit more aggressive on the polishing where there isn't the vinyl?
Because there's no stickers, the stickers are what are messing us up. If we use a proper compound on them, it's basically just going to take off the top layer, and the top layer of these is chrome. So it'll be really noticeable. So on the lower half, we're pretty much maxed in. But then on the upper half, where we've got, I don't know if you've seen this, but there is loads of watermarks. We can go in with Ultimate Compound and take them out. So again, I don't know if you'll see it, but from here to here, it's a lot blacker and there's no lines running down it from where stuff's dripped. We basically just got to crack on and doing this. It's a big vehicle, so it's going to take us a while.
We're all mucking in.
But yeah, we've got a lot of people, which makes it nuts.
Perfect, thank you.
see here, like the dulling in the paint. Actually, it's quite hard to tell on camera. There's like a haze that we're attempting to get rid of, and it has worked in some areas. Like on Le Bonnet. Before, after. And that's just with a simple 3-in-1 wax. She's looking gleaming. Grant's applied a ceramic coat, and I will not embarrass myself and let him explain it.
Ultimate ceramic coating is a ceramic coating with the ceramic suspended in silicone. So it takes a bit of buffing to basically free the ceramic from the silicone. So it's good on literally all surfaces. So on a wheel, just a light mist over, we'll use one side of the towel just to go around and spread it to get a good base layer. And then when we finish that, you take the other side of the towel or a dry side of the towel and basically just buff it out, and that's where you're releasing it from the silicone.
And that'll protect you from brake dusts and...
Yeah. On wheels, I don't know exactly how long it lasts. It will be less than paint because wheels go through a lot more abuse. However, because it's so simple to apply it, when you start to see that you're not getting as much beading as you were previously, you could just go back and apply it again. And it literally takes a little less than a minute.
Yeah. So we essentially just brought up these lips with a metal polish, which I'll get in a minute.
There's a lid.
Yeah, so we use the Meguiar's metal polish just to polish these lips back up, which are raw aluminium, and then the faces are chrome plated. So we use that metal polish again on the faces, and then just apply this directly to both raw aluminium and the chrome. And works fine. So the Hearse was actually too big for the new booth. So we've already exceeded the new booth. Sorry, Meguiar's. So we've pulled it out. We're just going to tackle the rear now. Got some stuff in the coffin we need to get out. Oh my god, it looks hideous. It's actually so comparable. Yeah, I'm going to get the coffin out. Maybe hit that. We might have to do the coffin when we get back because we're short on time. Add into the sponsor corner. Leave that to go off for a bit. Because it's like a That's what I had to do with the Yoko Pookie one. Look at that, it's filling up already. We're going to have to get another sun strip soon. We are going to bless the Hearse and add to our list of ever-growing involvement. But Google's done me dirty and give me the wrong logo. And Grant shouted at me. So we're putting it on and then taking it off, but...
Inside out, because every time I step on it
You can slide across it. Don't say hot to her, please.
I didn't even say anything.
It was to Will. Thank you very much to Meguiar's for inviting us down for a day in the bay with a Hearse. We've got some exciting new things coming along, and hopefully you'll be seeing more of Meguiar's with Sattire.